Yo, hello guys, super short video, just wanna tell you friendly reminder, it's like a hidden rewards which they're not announced within the Boinkers app. So basically you might came across with newses like they're going to reward people who have like 10 artifacts or 15 artifacts or 20 artifacts, but they're not really announcing you actually receiving money slash cryptocurrency for just having one artifact. And to my surprise, I'm super happy about that because I was able to get one of the rare artifacts. So I have one rare artifact, and that was the blue brush. So I received 2 tons from this, and this is not announced anywhere. I'm not announcing this right now to you. So the idea is to not spend any money, but if you're willing to spend some microtransactions to get the artifacts, which is basically the toilet paper. So, for example, here you can spend $1.79, and then you will have the toilet paper. So if you accumulate those toilet papers, you will receive always the rare artifact, and in that case was a blue brush. And why I know that? Well, because when you're receiving the money on your Ton wallet, by the way, I don't have any crypto exchange. I'm purely trying to get everything from the apps put into that free wallet, which is the Ton space. As you can see, my wallet doesn't work normally because I'm living in UK, and UK is not supported by the Telegram wallet. But also, with that being said, it's not really like a huge deal, because at the end of the day, if you actually will be managing to make it profit from it, I assume there's going to be some other app within the Telegram app to move those resources to a different wallet and then change that into different currency, and then basically move that currency into exchange and yada yada yada. But well, I'm not quite yet there, so I don't need to think about this. So I don't using any exchange. I use the free Ton space wallet, and then you can go to actually to transactions, like pressing somewhere. Where is that? Just pressing here, and you will see I received 2 Ton, and to my surprise, I was like, I just thought somebody donate me or something, like just for, I don't know, like fuck knows, right? But then you can just press this. And then when you press that, you will have the information if they want to put some information, and they put it information, blue toilet brush bonus with some code in it. And basically, I know it's from the Boinkers app because nobody gonna donate me with the blue toilet brush bonus unless somebody is just crazy enough to do this. But so yeah, that's like just information. Keep that in mind. You will have bonus just from the rare artifacts. Shame not from the common one, because I'd be like super happy if we have like 1 ton from every common artifact, but apparently not. So obviously the artifacts will give you the additional bonus to the profit for the mining shed. So that's how you can actually progress further within the Boink ladder. So right now I'm on the 9,000 points, but then you have to keep that in mind. The people who are in the top 10, actually I can click it, and we'll see the people who are in the top 10, I believe so, top 10, they always getting at the end of the day top, the extra amount of shit they actually having. So the first person is getting 100% more on the top what he's having. So there's no fucking way you're going to be able to match with that guy. And I'm going to finish off right now. But a fun fact is that who I am, L or whatever nickname is actually receiving consistently on daily basis around from 40 to 50 to even more so tons per day. Because that's how the Boinkers game, Boinkers management, they try to obviously give you the rewards for your effort, because this guy put fuckloads of money into that game, and I'm totally like super excited about those projects. Not like necessarily just the Boinkers, but Boinkers is great, but like any project we are diving and we are trying to obviously reach higher places in the ranks or whatever. Obviously, I'm not going to invest money. Firstly, I don't have any money to invest with to begin with. But even if I would have, I rather to invest to buy like bigger monitor so you can actually see the multitasking, how many apps I will be doing, or just invest to sort of stuff to make it this stream better, more user friendly, or more obviously better for me. Sorry, I'm tired, mumbling a bit, but anyway, so finishing off right now. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you've been watching, like I said, a friendly reminder of you can actually get some extra bonuses which they're not going to be mentioned at all on the newses within the Boinker newses Telegram account slash system. So I'm just telling you this because I received that, and I think that will be good to know for the people who don't really want to spend a lot of money. Maybe you're gonna do some microtransactions like I've done it on the beginning. I spent a couple of dollars slash pounds, whatever, just to do some microtransactions. I didn't really hunt for like $1.80 because it's still too expensive to me. But there are going to be at some point some microtransactions, like you literally need to spend like 9 cents, and then you can just obviously try to allocate all those 9 cents transactions, and you can get what I've get, which is I'm just gonna do to go to my altar. So I actually get like 19 common toilet papers and 1 rare, and I didn't spend more than $10 altogether. Like less than that. Like I think maybe it was 6, 7. I don't know exactly, but I know I just spent like fuck all. Just for curiosity, more like than spending the money, because like I said, I don't really have any money to begin with to invest. But the game itself, it's crazy good and crazy rewarding. I'm just finishing off right now, just simply because we can use the raffles. So keep that on mind. Keep track on when the raffles are announced. I won also the second raffle. I didn't set that, but I'm telling you right now, you can go to your inbox, and I won 10,000 rolls of the spin. Obviously it's nothing compared to like obviously TON, like cryptocurrency, but still I hit a second time something, which is February 28th, so that was 2 days ago, and then obviously I won on the 24th of the February, the half of the ton. So keep that on mind and have a good one. Have a great luck to hit 50 ton, because that's every second day, or now and then, like every third days they doing that. Like one person can hit like 100 ton, or they doing like 10 people can hit 50 tons. Obviously have a massive luck to hit that. Really wish to you all to hit some decent amount of ton from the Boinkers app, because at the end of the day, obviously those people who are super high in the ranks, they getting consistent rewards, but at the end of the day they supposed to, because they spend fuckloads of money to be in that place. So maybe someday I will be on some first place in some other app, which I'm starting right now, because you have to understand also, we're living in the world where they just making those apps all the time, constantly. So we just need to figure out the apps, the people just starting to play, to figuring out the way in, and without spending the money. But I know it's hard, because always is going to be some person who is willing to spend / quote invest those money. It will be hard to be on that top, but maybe we are going to figure it out together, some apps which we can actually make some profit on it. Okie dokie, super tired, super excited as well about this channel, about the gaming, crypto gaming within the ecosystem, the TON ecosystem. Trying to obviously this year to play as many games, as many apps as possible, to basically put all the airdrops within one place, which is my one and only wallet, free wallet. Super excited about this. I'm super transparent with this, just simply because I don't have any crypto exchange, so I don't give a fuck if somebody gonna track this wallet. Like, it's going to be for the giveaways for you guys. Anyway, this is like basically the idea is to allocate all the airdrops and then use all those airdrops change into stars and do the star giveaway like on monthly basis on my Telegram account. So you are feel free to follow me and wish me luck or support me through joining to my games which I'm playing. So I will always accumulate some extra points, which it's going to be better for getting more airdrops, and then those airdrops are going to be used for giveaways on my channel, basically on my Telegram channel for you guys. I will announcing everything. Obviously, there's going to be like a video a week before, and like certain time I'm going to stream, because I wanna obviously start to streaming on daily basis, and then obviously it's going to be, I think, one day on the weekend, like let's say Saturday. I'm gonna let you know which hour it's going to be. So it's not like you will need to be on my stream 8 hours or whatever. Basically, it's gonna announce where is the fucking giveaway, and if somebody wanna have giveaway, it's gonna be on my stream for that certain time, and that's it. Like we can chat a bit, like 10 minutes, and then you can just get the fuck out, because at the end of the day, I know it's like, firstly, I'm just like new person, a new channel, creating like new business, and nobody give a fuck. I totally agree, I totally understand, because everybody have their own responsibilities, or either slash tasks, jobs, whatever it is. Definitely it's not the you're not really gonna allocate like an hour for listening to some random Switch guy. But at the end of the day, I'm trying my best to basically learn and also teach you guys what apps we can use to leverage sort of some airdrops, some money from it. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care and bye for now.